Hello and welcome back. So today we are going to work on this Ginseng Ficus. I collected this one 2.5 years back. Since then it is in this small pot. So this is the tree. These are basically grafted ficus. You can see the graft mark here. But it has fused well, and today we are going to repot this in a bigger pot because this pot is a bit small, and you can see the roots coming out from the pot. So this is the time. What I can do is to get out a structure of this tree. I can wire the branches like this. I have decided to pot it in this plastic training pot, bonsai training pot, which is deep and it has built-in mesh. It's important for the drainage. Good material, and you can see it's made in India. So, a matter to be proud. I'll repot the tree in this pot. This is how it can look after the repotting. So here is the tree. I've put it in this pot, and you can see the look. I think it will look well, and I will wire these branches so that it can be an open shaped canopy. The roots have gone outside the pot, so let's take out the tree. It has good root structure, and here you can see the earlier drainage screen. Let me remove it. That is that gone. I will just tease the roots a little bit. Not more, because it's like a sleep potting only. It's February 6th, 7th. I'll pot it in this homemade soil. It's not exactly bonsai soil, but it has cocoa peat, river sand, compost, brick chips, neem bark. Overall, it's a gritty soil. So, fill the pot with the soil. Now I'll place the tree. Let's have a look. Yes, that is the position. So I'll fill the pot. Just to be sure that there is no air pockets left. The soil has to be very tightly seated in the pot. That is the final look of the tree after repotting. So, as I told earlier, I'm going to wire the branches just to give an open shape, nothing else. That's it. I think the tree will look better after this wiring. It will surely look better. So that is that tree done. Give me feedback in the comments how you are liking my videos, and please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.